Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Spectrum Wi-Fi router blinking blue light. Setup, sync and internet activation fix. Fix 1 is power cycle the modem and router. Unplug the modem and router from power. Wait 60 seconds. Plug the modem back in and wait until all lights are solid. Plug the router back in. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for the blue light to become solid. Second one is check all cable connection. Make sure the coaxial cable is tightly connected to the modem and wall outlet. Then check that the Ethernet cable is securely connected between the modem and the router's Ethernet WAN port. Replace any damaged cable. Remove cable splitter if possible. Third one is restart the modem and router. Unplug the modem and router, then wait 60 seconds. Plug in the modem first and wait until it is fully online. Plug in the router and wait for it to reconnect. Fourth one is factory reset the router. Locate the reset button on the back of the router, then press and hold it for about 10 seconds using a paper clip. Wait for the router to restart. Set up your Wi-Fi network again, including the Wi-Fi name and password. Thanks for watching.